Imagine a place where history, culture, and natural beauty intertwine. Yes, we're talking about Iraq. This land, nestled in the heart of the Middle East, is a tapestry of stunning landscapes and rich history, a place where ancient civilizations have left their indelible mark. Picture a country that spans from the azure blue of the Persian Gulf to the snow-capped peaks of the Zagros Mountains. Imagine fertile plains, vast deserts, and marshlands teeming with life. Whether it's the Fertile Crescent of Mesopotamia, often referred to as the Cradle of Civilization, or the rugged beauty of the Northern Highlands, Iraq's diverse topography is a testament to its unique charm. But Iraq is more than just a destination, it's an experience, an adventure waiting to unfold. So buckle up, and let's embark on a journey to explore some of the most breathtaking sceneries in Iraq. First stop, the Mesopotamian Marshlands, a place where water and land create a unique harmony. Often referred to as the Jewel of Iraq, the Mesopotamian marshlands are a breathtaking tapestry of luscious wetlands, shrouded in a mystical ambiance. This unique ecosystem, which stretches across southern Iraq, is a vibrant fusion of waterways, reed beds, and lakes. It's a vital refuge for an array of wildlife, including several species of birds, marsh deer, and the elusive smooth-coated otter. It's a paradise for nature enthusiasts, a place where the rhythm of life is dictated by the ebb and flow of water. The marshlands are not just a haven for wildlife, they're also home to the Madan people, or Marsh Arabs, who have lived here for thousands of years. These resilient communities have built an intimate relationship with this watery landscape, their lives intertwined with the rhythm of the marsh. They've built their homes known as mudhifs from the reeds, and their unique way of life is a testament to human adaptability. But the Mesopotamian marshlands have faced their fair share of threats. Years of environmental degradation and drainage projects in the late 20th century nearly decimated this ecological gem. However, like the phoenix rising from the ashes, the marshlands have shown remarkable resilience. Following extensive restoration efforts, the marshlands have bounced back, reclaiming their place as one of the most spectacular natural habitats in the world. In 2016, this resurgence was recognized when the marshlands were designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a fitting tribute to this vibrant, life-affirming landscape. The Mesopotamian marshlands tell a story of nature's incredible resilience, of a landscape reborn and a community that refused to be washed away. It's a testament to the enduring beauty of our planet, a reminder that even in the face of adversity, nature finds a way to thrive. The Mesopotamian marshlands, a testament to nature's resilience and a sight to behold. So, let's continue our journey, exploring the majestic mountains, ancient cities, and mesmerizing dunes that make Iraq such a fascinating country. From the wetlands, we ascend to the lofty peaks of Kurdistan. Towering above the landscape, these mountains are not just a geographical marvel, but a symbol of resilience and identity for the Kurdish people. The mountains have been a refuge, a home, a source of sustenance, and a place of inspiration for countless generations. Imagine the awe-inspiring sight of the sun rising over the snow-kissed peaks, painting the sky with hues of gold, orange, and purple. The mountains of Kurdistan are a canvas on which nature paints its most breathtaking masterpieces. These mountains are not just for admiring from afar. They beckon the adventurous, inviting them to explore the rugged terrain, the hidden valleys, and the picturesque villages nestled within. Hiking trails wind their way up these majestic mountains, offering a thrilling challenge for outdoor enthusiasts. And when the stars come out, these mountains transform into a tranquil haven. Camping under the open sky, with the Milky Way stretched out above, and the distant lights of the villages twinkling below, is an experience like no other. The mountains of Kurdistan are a testament to the fact that sometimes the most profound moments of peace and contemplation are found in the heart of nature's grandeur. The mountains are also a lifeline for local communities. They provide fresh water, fertile soil for agriculture, and a habitat for diverse flora and fauna. These communities have lived in harmony with the mountains for centuries, preserving their beauty and resources for future generations. So, whether you're a thrill seeker looking for your next adventure, a nature lover seeking solitude, or a culture enthusiast eager to learn more about the Kurdish way of life, the mountains of Kurdistan have something to offer. The mountains of Kurdistan, where nature's grandeur is on full display. We leave the mountains behind and step into the pages of history in the ancient city of Babylon. Imagine a city so grand, so influential, that its tales have transcended time, passed down through generations and continue to captivate the world. This is Babylon, a symbol of human ambition and architectural splendor in the heart of Iraq. Babylon was the heartbeat of ancient Mesopotamia, a cradle of civilization that nurtured some of the world's earliest urban societies. Amidst the bustling city, the Euphrates River flowed, nourishing life and commerce. Babylon was more than a city. It was a beacon of culture and intellect that illuminated the ancient world. The city's architectural prowess is epitomized by the legendary Hanging Gardens, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Picture terraces lush with exotic flora cascading from the sky, a verdant oasis in the heart of a desert metropolis. Although no physical evidence of these gardens exists today, their legend continues to bloom in our collective memory. The city's crowning glory, however, was the formidable Ishtar Gate. Constructed under the reign of King Nebuchadnezzar II, the gate was a testament to Babylon's might and majesty. Crafted from lapis lazuli and furnished with intricate reliefs of sacred creatures, the Ishtar Gate was Babylon's grand entryway, a portal to a world of wonder and wisdom. Today, Babylon stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a testament to its timeless significance. While the city's grandeur has faded with time, the spirit of Babylon lives on. Its ruins are a tangible link to a past era, a silent narrator of tales of grandeur, intellect, and human enterprise. As we wander through the remnants of this ancient city, we're not just exploring ruins but stepping into stories etched in time. We're walking down the same paths where philosophers pondered, where poets penned their verses, where kings and queens once tread. Babylon, a place where the past and present converge in a fascinating dance. From the Cradle of Civilization, we journey to the mesmerizing dunes of Al-Qadisiyyah. As we set foot on this golden landscape, we are greeted by a sea of sand stretching as far as the eye can see. These are not ordinary sand dunes, they are vast rolling waves of desert, a spectacle of nature that changes with every gust of wind. The dunes themselves are a marvel to behold, their shapes ever-changing, sculpted by the desert winds. They rise and fall like the waves of a golden sea, creating a stunning tableau that is both captivating and awe-inspiring. The play of shadows and light on the rippled sand surface creates a mesmerizing pattern, an endless, undulating expanse of golden hues. As the day progresses, the dunes undergo a magical transformation. Under the morning sun, they glow warm and inviting, their golden color radiant and bright. As afternoon turns to evening, the setting sun paints them in shades of deep orange and red, casting long shadows that dance and flicker across the sand. And when night falls, the dunes are bathed in the silvery light of the moon, their contours softened and blurred, creating a scene of ethereal beauty. But the dunes offer more than just visual splendor. They evoke a sense of peace and solitude, a chance to escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. The silence here is profound, broken only by the whisper of the wind. It's a place where one can truly be alone with their thoughts, a place that invites introspection and contemplation. The dunes of Al-Qadisiyyah also bear witness to a rich cultural history. They have been the backdrop for countless stories and legends, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the people who have lived here for generations. Their lives, shaped by the harsh desert environment, are a testament to the human spirit's indomitable will to survive and thrive. The dunes of Al-Qadisiyyah, a testament to the timeless beauty of the desert. They stand as a symbol of the enduring allure of nature, a reminder of our planet's incredible diversity and the infinite wonders that it holds. Our journey across Iraq's scenic landscapes has come to an end, but the beauty of this land lingers in our minds. From the lush and life-filled Mesopotamian marshlands to the majestic mountains of Kurdistan, each region has etched its unique charm onto our hearts. We've walked the ancient paths of Babylon, feeling the echoes of history under our feet. We've marveled at the mesmerizing dunes of Al-Qadisiyyah, where the golden sands capture the timeless beauty of the desert. Each corner of Iraq paints a different picture, yet they all come together to form a vibrant tapestry of diversity and beauty. The landscapes we've explored are a testament to the resilience and richness of this land, a land that continues to captivate and inspire us. We'd love to hear from you. Which part of the world should we explore next? And don't forget to like and subscribe, it helps our channel grow. Until next time, keep exploring.